Good morning, everybody. I got into work today and there's a box waiting for me on my desk, and it is my nylon, Remington Nylon 66 22 caliber barrel, which will be the replacement barrel for my Remington Nylon 66. This one has a barrel date of D as in dog, M as in Mary, of 1964. So when I get home, I will show you how to install a new barrel on a Remington Nylon 66. All right, everybody, I'm in my garage and I have my Nylon 66. I already put the barrel on. This is the old barrel, but I'll do a real quick tutorial on how to do that. First of all, you want to make sure that this thing is cocked, and that's holding that slide hammer back in there. Trust me, if you don't cock it, you're going to have a heck of a time putting this thing back together. And then you're going to undo these two screws right here on the cover. Alright. Come on. There's the other one, two screws. And then you gotta pull this little duber here. And then you just pull the cover off. Just like that. Comes off. Now then, there is a little piece right here. I call it a barrel clamp, and it's fastened by the screw right here. Don't worry about this. This is the, I believe it's the ejector. It just pops right back on. So you're going to loosen the screw until that barrel clamp comes up enough that you can pull the barrel out, just like that. The barrel pulls out. Now I put the, I got this, it was just this. I mean, this new barrel looked like this. So the front sight just screws on. I put the front sight on, and it looks pretty good. I didn't actually clean it. I probably should have cleaned it. So then you slide the barrel on, and it slides in the barrel clamp right here. Well, it's supposed to. There it goes. And you just, there's a spring tube back here, and it wants to hang up on that. And we get that spring tube to slide into the bolt. Then your barrel will slide on all the way, and then you tighten the screw back down. Doesn't have to be crazy tight. And your barrel's on. And you put your, I'm pretty sure this is the extractor, just pops in. Pop your cover back on. Cover. Alright. Oh, I know what it is. This has to lay down like that. Your cover goes on. Put your two screws back in. They don't have to be crazy tight. If you like to clock them so they're the same, that's fine. And then this just pops back into the bolt. And you're in business. You're ready to go. That's all there is to it. Pretty easy. This barrel, unfortunately, is just, it's garbage. There's a ring down in there. Don't know what happened, but that barrel's no good.